News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Institute for Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine, Maharashtra Association for the Cultivation of Science, Agarkar Research Institute, Center of Innovative and Applied Bioprocessing, Saraswati Foundation for Rural Development and Training, Defence Research and Development Organization, All India Institute of Physical, Medicine and Rehabilitation, Mumbai, Indian Council of Philosophical Research, National Sugar Institute, Kanpur, Department of Commerce, Directorate of Coordination Police Wireless, and Central Forensic Science Laboratory. Online applications are invited from suitable candidates at the Institute for Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine, INSTEM, on direct recruitment or absorption basis for the following positions at Bangalore: 3 posts of Section Officer and 3 posts of Management Assistant. Please visit www.instem.res.in portal for complete advertisement, method of applying, other terms and any subsequent revisions or corrigendum. Last date for receipt of online application is 15th February 2021. Maharashtra Association for the Cultivation of Science, Agarkar Research Institute invites applications from eligible Indian citizens for filling up 1 post of Finance and Accounts Officer. Other terms and conditions and application form are available on the Institute's website www.aripune.org. Last date for submission of applications is 1st March 2021. Center of Innovative and Applied Bioprocessing and Autonomous Institute under Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, invites applications for the following positions: 1 post of Store and Purchase Officer, 1 post of Senior Technical Assistant, Biochemistry or Food and Science Technology, and 1 post of Senior Technical Assistant, Microbial and Enzyme Bioprocessing. Complete application should be sent to the concerned authority by post in the prescribed format and must reach on or before the last date of receipt of applications, that is up to 2nd March 2021. Detailed advertisement and application form are available at the website www.ciab.res.in. Saraswati Foundation for Rural Development and Training, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, invites application for the following posts: 1 post of Subject Matter Specialist, Animal Science, 1 post of Subject Matter Specialist, Agrometeorology, and 1 post of Agromet Observer. For application and more details, visit the website www.skvkk.org. Last date for receipt of application is 15th February 2021. Interested candidates may apply by post only. Defence Research and Development Organization, Ministry of Defence, Government of India, invites application for 1 post of Medical Officer on contract basis. Apply with complete biodata along with the tested copies of certificates in support of age, qualifications and experience to the concerned person within 15 days of this advertisement. Walk-in interviews are scheduled to be held for contractual appointment for the period of 1 year in All India Institute of Physical, Medicine and Rehabilitation, Mumbai, Directorate General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, for the following posts: 3 posts of Lecturer, Prosthetics and Orthotics, 3 posts of Lecturer, Occupational Therapy, and 3 posts of Lecturer, Physiotherapy. Date of walk-in interview is 12th February 2021. For further details, visit the Institute's website www.aiipmr.gov.in. Indian Council of Philosophical Research and Autonomous Organization, fully funded by Government of India, Ministry of Human Resource Development, invites applications for the following posts: 1 post of accounts officer by transfer on deputation, failing which by direct recruitment. 1 post of administrative officer by transfer on deputation, failing which by direct recruitment. 1 post of program officer against lien vacancy, recruitment on early contract basis up to 2 years. And 3 posts of superintendent by transfer on deputation, failing which by direct recruitment. Candidates are advised to frequently visit the Indian Council of Philosophical Research website for any further information regarding this recruitment at www.icpr.in. Application in prescribed format is available on the Council's website, which may be submitted only by registered post so as to reach ICPR office before 5 p.m. on last date. Last date of receipt of duly filled up applications will be 45 calendar days from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News. National Sugar Institute, Kanpur, under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, invites applications from eligible candidates amongst working under the central government for appointment on deputation for 1 post of Upper Division Clerk. Application of eligible candidates may be sent directly to the concerned authority within a period of 60 days from the date of issue or publication of this advertisement. Details of the post, eligibility condition, etc. may be accessed from the Institute's website www.nsi.gov.in. It is proposed to fill up 1 post of Deputy Development Commissioner DDC on deputation basis in Noida SEZ under the Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. It is requested that duly completed applications of eligible and willing officers who could be relieved in the event of selection may be forwarded in the prescribed format to the concerned authority within 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Any further information, including extension in the last date of receipt of application, etc., will be notified through the web page sezindia.nic.in/cms/Ministry of Commerce and Industry.php. Directorate of Coordination, Police Wireless, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India invites applications from eligible candidates to fill up 5 posts of assistant on deputation basis. Details of duties of the post, age limit, eligibility, experience, biodata pro forma and other conditions, etc. are available on the DCPW website under link www.dcpw.gov.in. Filled an application along with the tested copies of certificate should reach the concerned person within 60 days from the date of publication of this circular in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Central Forensic Science Laboratory, Kamrup, Assam, under the Directorate of Forensic Science Services, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, invites applications in the prescribed pro forma for filling up 1 post of Hindi translator 2 on deputation or absorption basis. Complete information in respect of the above post is available at the laboratory website www.cfslghy.gov.in. Application complete in all respect is required to reach the laboratory within a period of 2 months from the date of publication of this circular in Employment News. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.